Hi friends, hope you are doing good. In this video and upcoming video series, I will take you through data center. So let's begin. Did you recognize these logos? Google, Amazon, Domino's, all these are very famous organizations across the world. Let me name some famous Indian companies like Tata, ICICI Bank, SBI. Can you tell me what is the foundation of all these famous organizations? Yes, it is data center. Data center is the foundation. It is the base. It is at the base of all these organizations. You must have heard digital. What is digital? Digital means you can simply reach out to these companies by just pressing some digits on your personal devices. Today, you can book cabs just by sitting at home. You can watch movies, play games, you can do banking, you can do a lot of things from these devices that are in your hand. Just imagine how many times in a day you use WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter. I will say, on an average, a person checks his or her cell phone for at least 10 times in 1 hour. So you can imagine how many times in a day person is going online, that is he checks his phone, laptop, he works on internet. Have you ever thought what is happening behind the scenes when you go online, that is when you check your mobile or when you open your laptop and browse something? You basically go n number of times in a data center. You are sitting at home, but you are unknowingly visiting the data center. Now let's see how. Let's say you open your browser and type www.youtube.com from your laptop, or imagine you open your YouTube application from your mobile phone. The request immediately, what your laptop or what your mobile will do, it will send the request to the internet. Okay, what is internet? It is nothing but a road through which your request travels to a data center, right? So your request will go to a data center and it will hit either a web server or an application server or a database server. I will not go into detail into this, but basically it will go and hit the servers which are sitting in the data center, right? From there, it will collect the web pages, right? It is nothing but either the HTML, CSS or JavaScripts. It will collect those files and it will send it back again through the internet, again through the same road. It will send it back to your laptop or on your mobile phone. These HTML, CSS, JavaScript, these files are then read by your browser or by your application, and then you can see the video that you wanted to see on the YouTube. Correct? This entire process, okay, that is after you click your YouTube and the time it takes for the video to get displayed on your browser, okay, this is hardly happening in seconds. In fact, I'll say this is happening in milliseconds or nanoseconds. Okay, unknowingly you are visiting the data center. You are sitting at your home, but you are visiting the data center. Which data center? The data center in which your YouTube servers are hosted. Okay, now when I talk about this internet, yes, I told you that internet is nothing but a road through which your request travels through the data center. As such, internet is again nothing but there are set of internet comprises, as such there is no road. It comprises of again servers which are either hosted in one or the other data centers, either which are owned by your government or your ISPs. Okay. So let's talk about server. Okay. What is a server? Server is something that serves. For you to understand, server is nothing but a huge computer. Huge means which has got very high speed processor, memory, it has got very fast hard disk, it has got enterprise class input output ports and so on. Now if this server has got some database installed on it, it is called as a database server. If it has got any application, it is called as application server. If it has got web pages, then it is called a web server, right? But for you, important to know is, where is this server placed? As I said, it is a large or it is a huge computer. Let's say in your home, you use a laptop or you use a desktop. Where do you keep your laptop or desktop? On a table. If it is a laptop, you may keep it on a table or in a laptop bag, or if it is a desktop, you keep it on a computer table. Similarly, servers are kept in racks. Okay. Did you see this picture? This is nothing but, this is a rack. Okay. This is one single rack. These are set of racks. These are multiple racks which are placed one beside other. Racks are like what? Racks are like a big cupboard made up of iron. It has got specialized arrangements to host these servers. To host this server means to place these servers. Okay. Now, where are these racks kept? Racks are kept in a server room, which is in a data center. So this is a picture of a server room. Okay. Server room is again a part of a data center. You can see it has got specialized tiles. Okay. These are the tiles. This tile is different. This is called as perforated tile. Then it has got overhead trays. See. Okay. It has got a structured cabling which is done. Right. This server room is a temperature controlled facility. Now, this server hall is a part of data center. The data center is again consist of multiple infrastructure components. Which are those? Let's see. This is the main grid. Okay, this grid supplies power to your data center facility. Okay, the power hits to your transformer. Generally, this transformer is a part of your data center. The power is stepped down and then it is transferred to the UPS. What is UPS? UPS is nothing but uninterrupted power supply. It will make sure that a fixed power is supplied to your server room. The UPS then supplies the power to PDU. PDU is nothing but power distribution unit, which then gives to multiple rows which are there in the server room. This data center, apart from giving power to the server room, it has to provide power to other miscellaneous systems like chillers. You must have by now guessed that data center is a very power hungry business. If by any chance power fails, power of the grid fails, then what will happen? Then the backup generator will take it over. UPS also has batteries. So in short, what will happen if the power of your transformer goes down? For let's assume for a moment that generator is not there. right? What will happen? It will affect the workloads. It will affect the servers of which are hosted in your data center. In this case, the YouTube will not send the videos. You won't be able to see any videos on YouTube, right? So this will be a huge loss to the companies, right? That's the reason data center is the foundation. It is the heart of any business. Now let's review. Tell me, what is the integral part of any business? Answer is pretty simple. Data center is the integral part of any business. Where are the servers hosted? Yes, the servers are hosted in racks which are kept in server rooms of data center. Will your DC stop functioning if your power supply from the grid fails? No. If a data center has a generator, it will take it over. Thank you for watching. See you in next lecture.